Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Mission Impossible game. First, understand your primary objective. Complete each mission without being detected by enemy forces. Next, select your agent and equip them with essential gadgets like a tranquilizer gun or a cloaking device. Familiarize yourself with the controls for movement, interaction, and gadget usage. Finally, review your mission briefing carefully to grasp all primary and secondary goals before infiltrating the target area. Once inside, stealth is paramount. Move silently, using cover and shadows to avoid detection by patrolling guards and security cameras. Deploy your specialized gadgets, such as a sonic emitter to distract foes or a cloaking device for temporary invisibility. You will often encounter environmental puzzles, requiring clever use of your tools or observation to bypass locked doors or laser grids. Remember to collect all vital intel and key items to successfully complete your mission. While stealth is preferred, sometimes combat is unavoidable. Engage in close-quarters takedowns or use silenced weapons for discreet eliminations. Utilize distractions, like throwing a coin or activating an alarm, to draw enemies away from your path. Always plan your infiltration and extraction routes meticulously to minimize exposure to security. Be prepared to adapt your strategy on the fly, as enemy patrols and security systems can change unexpectedly, requiring quick thinking and precise execution. For advanced play, master the art of disguise to seamlessly blend with enemy personnel, allowing access to restricted areas. Continuously upgrade your agent's skills and gadgets, enhancing abilities like hacking speed or gadget effectiveness. Don't hesitate to replay missions. This often reveals hidden paths, secret rooms, and bonus objectives you might have missed. Most importantly, practice patience and keen observation. These are your greatest assets for overcoming the most challenging and seemingly impossible scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.